discussing operations as far as with James J and TWT and system, and the message has been always the same, that extremely proud of everybody. Everyone's putting their best foot forward right now. We're having some success on seating trucks currently, which is a good thing. And just again want to extend the thanks of everybody as far as how much time and effort everyone's put into righting the ship and getting this thing going forward. And the main reason that we're here today is to hand out some awards for the 1,000,000 miles. And you know, again, we do this every year, but it's such an impressive feat. I mean, the short version, guys, is it takes basically 10 years in order to drive 1,000,000 miles safe. So to achieve this is quite an honor, and it's something that I don't think the general public or even us internally can appreciate to a level that we should. So with that being said, how we're going to do this today is we've got James J is going to go first, TWT second, and then System's going to finish it up.
All right, we got Jim Longer right here out of our Longview terminal. We got Darren Bucknell over here out of the Spokane Valley terminal. These are two of James J's finest members. They've been, both of them have been with us for quite some time. In fact, we'll start with Jim. Jim's been part of the JJW team since about 2008 and has been an integral part of that operation over there in Longview. He's a phenomenal team member, does an excellent job, and obviously being awarded the 1,000,000 mile accident-free Safe Driver Award is quite the achievement, and we really appreciate everything Jim does for us. Not only is Jim a phenomenal driver, but he's also a good counsel for our operations team as well. His knowledge of the industry and what James J does and has done for years over there in Longview is not replaceable. So Jim, thank you very much. Congratulations. Then we got our boy Darren over here. Darren's been with TSI since '96 in some capacity. He's been with James J for as long as Daryl can remember, and Daryl's one of our longtime hands as well, so our terminal manager over there. But I don't know what we do without Darren. I don't think there's anyone else that would want to do what Darren does on a daily basis. But Darren is a phenomenal hand for James J. He's what we call our dedicated flour aficionado. So he preloads and delivers a lot of our local flour runs here for ADM milling. But I don't know what we do without him. Congratulations, Darren. Great job, man. We appreciate you. Let's give it up for these guys.
Renee, get on up here, Renee. Renee Justa. There's a lot to say about Renee. At the end of the day, she's just an awesome driver. She started her career over 10 years ago as a trainee. Came in here day after day, does her best, and gets the job done. Throughout her career, she's excelled on several different divisions, including solo, over the road, and teams. Most recently, she's been teaming with her husband, Wes Justa, and consistently, month after month, one of the top teams, and really do get the job done for us. I can honestly say, Renee makes my job easier, which is a good thing. I'm relatively new to the driver manager position, and honestly, I learn a lot from Renee, so I wouldn't be where I am without her. Yeah, at the end of the day, her passion for the industry is just one of the many reasons that makes TWT so great. Renee, thank you.
In 2008, we got a guy from Montana named Leonard Wilkie. He came in as an experienced driver, and I guess Leonard was on my fleet to start with, I believe. Oh, okay. Anyway, he's there's not very much that he won't do if it can be done. Leonard will figure out a way to do it. He makes my job really easy. He'll help out anybody that needs help. mechanic work, you name it. Leonard's done it. Not only to his truck, but anybody's truck who needs a hand. And again, 1,000,000 miles is an incredible feat. Leonard, congratulations.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege to introduce Doug to you. Doug has been with System Transport for 34 years. Yeah, 34 years. The fact that he's receiving this award for the 1,000,000 miles safe driving speaks to his dedication and commitment to build the culture that we want here at System Transport and at TSI as a whole. I haven't had the pleasure of actually meeting Doug too much. We've talked on the phone a couple of times, but his willingness to help other drivers and build, again, the culture that we're trying to promote here at System is unmatched. It's been a pleasure. I appreciate it.